Omumizano y'empaka za Western Basketball League eyazanwe rizoba timu ya Mbarara University ya Mustangs niyo yakireyo koreka omutindo omurungi bwa nyuma yo kusinga emizano ebiri erikutera St Joseph's Vocational School aha bigo batano na bishatu harya na kimwe kandi aba bagaruka basingana Masaka aha bigo bankaga na bitana harya na kimwe.
Last season we had some little issues here and there and we didn't make it to the playoffs. But we settled down, we reset, we organized ourselves. We got a supporting cast like extra players to help us on. So now I believe we're a better team. We have had 2 games today in our week 2 for the Western Basketball League. Our first game was against Masaka Basketball Club and we got a win over it. Then just from now, we are from playing JOVOC Vocational School and we got another win.
Alex Byamukama omutendeki wa timu ya St Joseph's nagira ngo barabe basingwa bita baryo bakozesa empakezi okwetebekanisiza emizano ey'empaka z'amashomero ga Uganda yona erabeho mwaka ogwo.
Nyowe game nanje tebekanise kugira ngo tutebekanisize nationals z'ibintu zakuja bitanu. Abana bajanaje barabe batasinga game ekikonka bazanaje munganinde nk'umutindo uruho kandi muri jeji twasingireho game game ishatu tuzanire.
Omumizano ndije yazanwa waze yasinga Alpines ahabwo bankaga na mushanjo harya 36 kandi yo Masaka yahebwa obubonero bwa busha bwa nyuma ya Mbarara High School kubura kwija hachayi ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West Agacencwire.